to another episode of Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, where today we're going to get a little bit fancy in the kitchen, and we're going to go ahead and do something I like to call lemon and garlic sauteed chicken with a red wine reduction. That's where I'm getting a little bougie. And $20. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to it. Sour, Tabasco, Dijon mustard, zucchini, sriracha, cucumber, garlic, a little bit of roasted garlic and Gruyere cheese sausages, chicken breast of course, mushrooms, a red blend, and lime juice. We're going to make pasta out of our vegetables. So our zucchini and our cucumber, we're going to go ahead and put them in this, which is going to make pasta by spirals. So just give it a little spin, just like that. The next thing you know, we went ahead and pasted up our vegetables, our cucumber and our zucchini, and we went ahead and diced up our garlic and our mushrooms. So now we're going to go ahead and cut up our sausage and put it in the skillet, so we can go ahead and get ready and get started. So what we're going to do, keep it real simple, just like that, real nice and thin slices to go in our skillet. And we're going to go ahead and go in here, them, dice them up, and we're going to throw them in our skillet. So first thing we're going to do is get some garlic salt. Just ever so gently do that. A little bit of onion powder. And then we're going to use our black pepper mix. Just like that. And then we got our herbs, our black pepper, easily, just real smooth. Boom. Just like this. And go ahead. And after we dice it up, we're gonna go ahead and throw it in the skillet. So we'll do a few more of these and then throw them. We got our mushrooms reduced down and our garlic. We're gonna take all this out. Again, leaving the oil and all our juices like that. We're gonna leave all that behind. And now, we're gonna go ahead and chicken in the skillet. We're gonna go ahead and saute this on medium until everything's nice and evenly cooked. And the reason why we're doing it on medium, because we want all the juices to be left behind so we can make our sauce for when we're done. So right now we're using the sausage like bacon or extra fat instead of butter. And this is going to give us our extra juices that we need for the overall sauce when we're done, okay? Go ahead and make our sauce. The first thing we want to do, get our olive oil, a little bit more of that, chicken broth. Yeah, about a quarter cup of that, and then our wine. About 2 or 3 capfuls of wine, some sriracha sauce, and Dijon mustard. Bam. Bam. In now, and let that cook down. So for a little bit of lemon juice, about a quarter cup, if not less. We're gonna go ahead and mix all these together and let the sauce cook into our pasta a little bit. And by the time we're done, about 5 to 10 minutes, pot, come back, mix everything together so all the sauce and flavors meld together. And be ready to enjoy a garlic lemon sauteed chicken with a pork reduction and cooking those special. Give you a little something there to drink too. If you like that, make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm Grumpy. Holla at me.
You watching? Hey, while you're watching, why don't you click there and subscribe? And don't forget to like, share,